It's time for part 5 of our 6-part course in CCIE Routing and Switching version 5. This is the all-in-one series, and you know this means that we're going to be covering the topics that you need in the lab exam as well as the written examination. So what exactly will we cover for infrastructure security in this particular course? Well, if you head over to my blog, ajsnetworking.com, and you come down here to the categories on the right-hand side, if you go to CCIE Routing and Switching, sure enough, it's the outline for Part 5 and Part 6 of this particular series. Notice, we're going to carefully cover every blueprint item in the area of security. Now, when I say security, we note that it is security as we would find it on our routers and switches. So you don't have to worry about things like adaptive security appliances or intrusion prevention systems that are introduced into your topology. It's the routing and switching stuff that we can do from a security perspective. Notice it's just some of the stuff. By no means is this a comprehensive look at everything we can do on routers and switches as far as security goes, because it's a pretty endless list. But we're going to cover the big ones, things like DHCP snooping and control plane policing and private VLANs, and even get a look at some next generation stuff like IPv6 first hop security. Now, throughout these nuggets, you're going to hear me referring to great resources that I'm going to make available for you in the Nugget Lab files. One of those great resources is going to be electronic flashcards to help you remember the information that we're covering in these nuggets. So cool. The platform I use is Anki. So just download this, and when the course is complete, the Nugget Lab files will be done, and you'll import your electronic flashcards from the Nugget Lab files into this product. In fact, let me show you how easy it is. So here I've launched the program, and notice down the bottom there's an import file button. You're going to go ahead and use this button and then navigate to the electronic flashcards that you've downloaded from the Nugget Lab files. So notice, as an example, I just imported my Juniper flashcard deck. So I'll go ahead and click on that and choose Study Now, and we start going through the flashcards. You can use the Show Answer button, and then you can rate how well you knew it. If you need to see it in under 1 minute, again, you'd choose that, or 10 minutes or 4 days. So the flashcards will be presented to you in an algorithm to help you memorize that particular information. So you just go through rating how well you know each of the cards, and I'll be tagging the cards so you could actually sort by topic for this particular course as well. And keep in mind that this is really just a starter deck for you. So you can add your own flashcards to my deck as well, and that's really going to help you with the learning process. This is just one of the many great resources I'll be making available for you in the Nugget Lab files. So let's keep this introduction brief, because we've got lots of great content coming up for you. I sure hope this introductory nugget was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.